Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Belinda here from Visualized NZ. I'm just going to do a hopefully quick little flip through of this journal here, which I've only just completed. So this video is going to be up later than what it should be. But that's okay, it is done, and I just see I need to make an extra knot in the string. So I will do that off camera though. So this is a design team project for creating with Jovi. All the links will be down in the description box, including the kit that I've used for this. The kit is called Mouse Travels, and you may have seen my videos where I've been working on bits and pieces for this journal. Well, it is now complete. So let's have a wee look. So this is the cover. It's cardboard covered in wallpaper, stitched with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I've just done up this layered topper, so some upholstery fabric, a bit of mesh, one of the pieces of ephemera out of the kit, which I have covered in gel medium so it's protected, and then this little double ribbon bow down here. That's the outside. The back is just the beautiful wallpaper, and there's a satin bow, satin ribbon closure through some eyelets. So let's open it up and have a look. Inside front cover, we've got a little flip down here with extra writing space. I would call this a writer's journal. There's like so much writing space in here. So a little flip down there, and then in behind, so decorated with one of the pieces of ephemera from the kit. This little piece from the kit, which I've just popped on a stamped word and backed it with some paper. That's all I did to that one. Super cute. Here's the please excuse me, digital. So this is part of Mouse Travels. A little bit of eco-dyed paper. That's what I've eco-dyed. More of the digitals, and all the digitals I backed with painter's masking paper. So they're all backed with the paper, so like lots and lots of writing space. And even on the digital pages, most of them have areas that you could write if you would like to. So here we have this piece of ephemera, so decorated up all with bits from the kit, and this cute little tag from the kit, and then a guest check from the kit, which I've decorated with a few elements from the kit as well. So I've used pretty much most of the kit in making this journal. Another page. These digitals are just so pretty. So there's a bucket load of writing space in here. Or if you're into art or doodling or whatever, like plenty of space to work on. And then a little corner tuck here with another couple of pieces. So decorated, bit of stamping, bit of music on this guest check. More eco-dyed paper. Another digital. I mean, they're so cute. How can you not be in love with these cute little images? They're just adorable. So again, this digital, like heaps and heaps of writing space on that alone, let alone the backs where I've backed just with the paper. And most of them I've just left like this so that they can be written on. Then on this digital page, you've got half the image here. I've made this little journal card with a piece from the kit, and this is an altered paperclip at the top, and it's made with two of the pieces, two labels from the kit. So there's that one on that side, and then on this side is this one. So I've just made that into an altered paperclip, and then this little piece from the kit I've just backed with paper as a cute little journal card. So really beautiful colours in this kit, really lovely feel to it. So pretty. So in this piece on one of the digital pages, we have in the back, this is a multi-pocket, so in the back pocket we have this little fold out tag, so heaps of journaling space on there. Again, another piece from the kit, and just topped with a bit of fabric. So that's right in the back, and then in the next pocket up is a tag from the kit. And I've just backed it with paper and then punched the hole and then topped it with some tulle. And then in these wee pockets, there's this wee tag from the kit, which I've just embellished with another bit from the kit. And this little tab here was just a cut off, which I just topped, added a little snippet on top. Then in the pocket, this pocket, there's a couple of the little pieces of ephemera, again backed with paper, inked, and just tucked in that little pocket. There is another pocket in behind here, which I haven't put anything in, but it's available if the owner would like to use it. It's a cool mushroom house. I love that. It's super cute. Another eco-dyed bit of paper. Okay, I just forgot I need to cover that over, so I will do that. Fabric flip, beautiful different colours and patterns on that. And there we have the centre of the signature, and I've got some metal beads on there, and that's the one where I just need to do another knot in this one so they don't come off. So super cute, little bead dangles in the middle. Here's the other half of that eco-dyed paper, and I just use a bit of the ephemera out of the kit to decorate and put over the branding from the paper, and just a bit of washi tape for some added embellishment. They're cute little mice, adorable. Again, heaps of writing space. Here we've got a circle pocket, so in the back, just get all the little fibres out the way. In the back is a larger journal card decorated with this piece out of the kit, and I added some stamped detail, just a collage base onto cardstock, and then some fabric at the top. So, and the next pocket down is this tag from the kit, which I've just added some stamping to and punched a hole and added these fun eyelash trim there, because that's just pretty and fun and textural. Then in the bottom is this little stamped piece that I did, and I just backed it onto paper so it could be written on if you like, or you could use it to embellish something. And then a wee ticket from out of the kit, which I've just cut out and inked and left as is, so that can be used anywhere you like. Cute digitals, lots of cute imagery. Then we have here, it's a belly band, so there is this tag tucked in behind with a piece. This house was actually on a tag, so I cut it out of the tag and popped it on here. One of the guest checks I've torn and added on the background, a bit of fabric on the top and some stamping. That tucks in behind, and then this little one opens up, so undo the ribbon, more pieces of the kit, and opens up for more writing space. And then this little one that folds out from the side, again another piece from the kit, and then this little suitcase which I've just cut out and inked, tucked into that little side pocket, and a bit of stamping. Sorry, that was probably off camera, so a bit of stamping there, a bit of stamping up here, just for fun. Whoops, so that all folds back up, and then we tie the bow, and I'll tie it off camera just so I'm not fiddling around with it during the video. Cute mouse on a, I was going to say unicycle, it's not a unicycle, penny farthing. Some mushrooms, love this, so cute, so sweet. A little piece out of the kit that I just embellished this eco-dyed page with. And then this is just a bit of book page which flips out. So it just flips out, so you've still got all the writing space. And then inside that pocket, it's decorated with some bits from the kit and a bit of stamping and some decorative papers. And here is a tag which I've used this bit from the kit on. And then the pattern on the cardstock, which is a travel related one, which is easy to write over because it's in a sort of like a watermark white. So writing on the back of that one. So I hope you can see how much writing space there is in this journal. It's full of writing space. Whole panel here. So here we have a belly band made from the same wallpaper that the cover is in, decorated with book page, a trim piece from the kit, and one of the fussy cuts from the kit. And in behind I printed off an extra one of the journal pages and trimmed it down so it would fit. So I took a bit of the top off so it would fit inside the belly band. Just folded it up, and that's even more writing space tucked in there, and I just gave it a little decorative edge as well, just for a bit of fun. Getting towards the end, here's the other piece of that small eco-dyed paper, and on this one I made an envelope out of a 6x6 piece of paper, added one of the elements as a little closure, so the whole thing opens up and can be written on the inside of, so you can write all in here. And then I just included some of the fussy cuts out of the kit that I didn't use for decorating, so that the owner can pop them where they wish. And then that just tucks in behind that little lantern. And I set it off the bottom of that page just for a bit of fun, and it also means that you could write on the bottom of that as well. And that is the journal. Super happy with it, loved working with the kit. I think it's super cute. Gonna make a lovely journal for somebody. I'm hoping I'll have it listed in my Etsy next week sometime. It won't be this week, hopefully next week. Hope you enjoyed the flip through. If you're keen on the digital, go check out Creating with Jovi over in Etsy. Check out her YouTube channel and her Facebook group. And yeah, perhaps do a little buying if you're so inclined. Or if you're interested in this journal, keep an eye out for it in my Etsy. Thanks for joining me. Take care, everybody. Have a fabulous weekend, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye.